Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Daily Leetcode Problems Part 2. Today we're going to go over QuickSort. So here's the problem. Given an array of integers, nums, sort the array in ascending order. Alright, so for the first part, we're going to separate the list into three parts, a smaller and equal and bigger list. Next, we're going to check if that list is greater than 1, and then we're going to set the pivot equal to the first number in the list. Then we're going to simply check if the number is smaller than the pivot, if it's greater than the pivot, or equal, and we're going to put it to each respective list. Next, we're going to make recursive calls on the smaller list and sum that with the equal list, then sum that with a recursive call on the bigger list. Finally, we need to add the else call in case the length of the list is equal to 0, and we're just going to return the list. Alright, let's run it, and here are the results. Alright guys, that's all I got. Like and comment below for what you want to see next. Thanks.